Have you ever found the perfect old video clip only to realize it looks incredibly blurry and pixelated on modern screens? What if you could transform that low-res footage into crystal clear 4K in just a few seconds? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at HitPaw VikPea, an AI-powered video enhancer from HitPaw, designed to automatically upscale your videos up to 8K quality. Whether you are a content creator looking to polish up your TikTok and YouTube uploads, a video editor working with old family archives, or just someone who wants their videos to look professional, HitPaw VikPea aims to make video enhancement stress-free. The standout feature here is its simplicity. You don't need to spend hours learning complicated editing timelines or advanced color grading. With its one-click AI tools, the software does the heavy lifting for you, removing blur, enhancing details, and upscaling resolution automatically. Now, let's talk about what to expect. On the plus side, HitPaw is trusted by over 1 million creators and offers a highly intuitive interface that saves you from lengthy rendering headaches. However, when it comes to user feedback, our research data on independent reviews is currently limited. Because we want to be completely honest with you, we can't guarantee how it performs across every single video format or system setup. Our final recommendation? Since HitPaw offers a try-it-free option on their website, the best move is to download the trial and test it out with your own footage. See firsthand how the AI handles your specific files. If you're ready to give your old videos a fresh start, head over to hitpaw.com to download it today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and let us know in the comments how your upscaled videos turned out.